Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Wednesday morning forecast update. It is cold out there once again. Not quite as cold as what we've seen the past few days, but right now we dipped into the 20s in both Shreveport and Texarkana, coming in at 29 degrees this morning, all the way down to 19 in Idabel and 23 in DeQueen, 28 for Mansfield, and 27 for Natchitoches. So everybody's starting out below freezing again this morning. We still have a northeast wind about 5 miles per hour, and eventually that's going to switch around to the east and the southeast later today. So with that south wind returning, we are expecting a bit of a warm-up today that will take us back into the mid-50s after starting out the week in the 30s and 40s. See visibility just fine this morning, not seeing any issues as far as any fog, with the extremely dry air still in place across the region, and should shake those freezing temperatures in most areas in the hour after sunrise here, and eventually into the 50s this afternoon. Do have highs basically between 52 and about 55 degrees in most locations this afternoon. So feeling a little bit better than the past few days here, but overall still a cool day. So make sure you do have the jacket this morning and keep it with you as we go through the afternoon as well. So there's high pressure now scooting off to the east. So again, with the winds going clockwise around that high as it does make its way to the east of the Arklatex here, we will see that south wind return a little bit later today. And what that will probably do for us, we'll probably see a few clouds drift through at times as well. Futurecast not really showing that today, but I am expecting mostly sunny this morning and then maybe partly cloudy after about 2 p.m. today, but no rainfall for us, and you'll see the clouds quickly return as we move through the overnight hours here. So starting at your Thursday morning, that should help to blanket us. We won't have the freezing temperatures across the region tomorrow morning, and we are looking at a pop-up shower here and there Thursday into Friday as a next warm front makes its way in. I want to kind of fast forward us here Friday, Saturday, still expecting that we will see a severe weather threat on Saturday here, and you see a few showers popping up Friday. And as we move into Saturday, here comes that next frontal boundary approaching the region. So the timing's still in question here, but a lot of the forecast models this morning are saying, hey, this is probably going to be an early day event for you, which honestly is not the most terrible thing in the world here. If it comes in a little bit earlier, doesn't give those temperatures a chance to warm up. So I do think the severe weather threat, if it verifies like this, will probably be highest off to our east and northeast. But either way, we still could see a severe weather threat here in the Arklatex, including wind, hail, and the potential for a few tornadoes, as the conditions in the atmosphere will be right for just about everything here. And you see a pretty quick mover. This takes us to about mid-morning here, and you see the rain ongoing across much of the region. Once we get to about 1, maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the rain's gone, and we do start to dry out here. So again, the timing's still in question. We could still see this push back a little bit later on Saturday. So if you do have weekend plans here, especially on Saturday, make sure you keep checking back with this forecast, and in case anything does change with the timing here. Also, could be seeing some heavy rainfall. Again, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain with the system on Saturday, and then we do have some additional rainfall moving in, especially next Tuesday and Wednesday. So we are going to see rainfall totals here over the next 7 days approach maybe so it's 3 to 4 inch range with isolated higher spots as we go into next week. So the 7-day forecast will show you highs starting to climb back up the hill here. We'll be back into the 60s tomorrow, still expecting the 70s on Friday, and we should sandwich in a dry day Sunday, but increasing chance of showers late Monday into Tuesday. And right now it does look like potentially we could see another window for severe weather late Tuesday and what is now looking like maybe during the day on Wednesday. So not only watching the severe weather threat this weekend, but it appears maybe another threat for severe weather and heavy rain will be on the way towards the middle of next week.